How to grade credit score on Mint. First of all, open the Mint app or visit the Mint website and log into your account using your username and password. Once you are on the home screen, look for the section labeled Credit Score. This is usually displayed near the top or middle of your dashboard. Next, tap on the Credit Score section. If it's your first time, Mint will prompt you to verify your identity. This may include entering personal details like your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This step is secure and used only to fetch your credit information. Once verified, your credit score will appear along with the detailed report. You will see your score powered by TransUnion, and you can explore important factors like your payment history, credit usage, total accounts, and inquiries. You can also check for any changes in your score over time. Mint provides a timeline that shows how your credit score has evolved, helping you understand what's improving or hurting it. And that's it. Now you know how to get credit score on Mint. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.